Today, we're going to have a short tutorial on how to open a C editor, that is a C programming editor, in Microsoft Visual Studio 2010. And this is so that you can start writing your C programs. So the first step is to launch the Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 application. So I click on the Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 folder, and then I look for the actual application, which is right here, and click on it. So that brings us to the start page for Microsoft Visual Studio. So the first thing we want to do is to open a new project. So we can do so by clicking on the shortcut right here, which says new project, or we can go to the file menu, click on new, and then go over to project. So both options do the same thing. So I'm just waiting on the new project dialog box to open. So here it is. So in this dialog box, you want to make sure that you select on the left side, Visual C++. And then in the middle section, you want to make sure you click on Empty Project. Once that is done, you give your project a name, a unique name. So I will call my project Edwards Test. Edwards_test. Okay. Once you've given your project a name, you can go ahead and click OK. So the project should now load in the Solutions Explorer. So this is taking a little bit of a while. Okay, so here we go. So here on the left in your Solutions Explorer, you will see your project loaded. Now, in the event that your Solutions Explorer is not open, so I'll just close it. So if this is the screen that you're seeing, all you need to do is go to View, the View tab, and click on Solutions Explorer. Okay, so now we want to add a file to our project, and that file would be a C++ file. So to do so, we can right click on project name and go to Add New Item, or we can go to, there's a shortcut here. Yes, this one. So the Add New Item shortcut, we can click on it and just click Add New Item. Okay. So in the Add New Item dialog box, again, you want to make sure that on the left side, Visual C++ is selected. And then in the middle, we're going to select C++ file. Okay. And again, we're going to give our file a name. And in this case, I am going to give it the same name as my project. So Edwards_test. And once my file name is in, then I will click Add. And the file that I have added should appear under the folder that says Source Files. Okay, so in the middle now, you'll notice you have your file Edwards_test.cpp, and this is where you will type your C program. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching.